Good afternoon, everybody. As promised today, that I'm going to create a recap of the previous training we did on how to actually create a new ad account in case your ad account got restricted or disabled during the process. So in this video, I'll be teaching you from the beginning to the end of on how you could literally go about it, creating a new ad account for your business and stuff like that. So let's just go directly into it and make sure you stay tuned. And the video will be sent across the mentorship program platform. So in case you gone through it or you were confused in one way or the other, you needed somebody to actually clarify something to you, or just reach out to me and I'll be there to answer all your questions. So let's just go directly into it and let me show you how it is. So this is my ad account. I'm clicking on my ad account right now. So you'll see most of you have got something like this. So which I want to teach you on how to actually create a new ad account. This can be literally resolved, but maybe in the subsequent time I'll be creating a video of how you could actually get your ad account back in case it got disabled. Yes, what it actually means when your ad account got disabled, it's not that you are permanently banned from using the ad account. No, it's just that they needed some of your identity to actually confirm that. Most times your ID, driving license and stuff like that. So that's just what they needed at that point in time. So you have to provide those things, and when you're done providing them, then the other account will go under review. So after review, they can get it back to you. Well, do you know this process can be probably another stress and stuff like that, which might delay your business? So you could literally create another account and start working on that one. Then later you start working on this one low key and stuff like that. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So let's just dive into it in creating another new account. So first and foremost, I'll go to my Facebook right here. So this is my profile, but let me show you something. Okay, I'm logging out right now. Like, okay, let me before I proceed. This is my real Facebook profile, yo. I want to show you. So this is my real Facebook profile now. Okay, as I've taught you previously in the previous class, if you have a Facebook profile, you could literally use the password and the email, or password and the phone number, to create a new ad account. And creating a new ad account, you just have to download this Meta app. So when you download the Meta app, make sure you are logged in on Facebook just like this. So when you download that Meta app, then you just have to log in your phone number or your email. But most times, if you are logged in the app, it will just tell you to continue as, it might just say continue as Ogbodo Joseph. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So for instance, I have another account for this particular profile, but the other account got disabled. So what I just have to do now is, no stress, I'll just come here, I'll scroll down, I'll just click on log out here. So when I click on log out here, I'll log out. So it will tell me to create a new ad account or log in into other profile. So I can just say create a new ad account. So during the process, you could just create a new Facebook account using your name, email, but please do not use the previous phone number you used in creating the first like do not use the previous phone number you used while creating your first Facebook account. You could use another number. I hope you understand it. Though if you want to use the number that you used before, it will say this number has already been used. So you have to use another number. And if you don't have another number, you could just proceed with your email and just create the account. So when you eventually create the account, um, for instance, I've actually created that account. Let me say this is the new account that I now created for example. So maybe this is the account that sorry. Okay, let me see, this is the account I now created. Maybe during the process of creating your account, this is the one I have now created now. So you know what I will just do? I will just make sure that I am logged in on that account here on Facebook. See, this particular account is logged in on where? On Facebook. I hope you can see. For instance, let me say this is the account I created new. It is logged in on Facebook. So what I just need to do now is use the password and the email for this one. Go directly into my Meta ad account and click on um I'll just click on what I'll click on it. You know this particular one has been disabled, so you could just log out. Let me teach you how to log out. You click on this, so you see log out here. I hope you see I'm logged out now. And one of the things you have to know is if your account you created is already logged in on your Facebook, whenever you come to your meta ad, it will tell you to just continue as that particular name that is logged in on Facebook. See, this is the one that is logged in on Facebook now. So it's telling me to continue as this. So, but if you create a new account here and this particular account is not logged in on Facebook, maybe it's your previous one that is logged in on Facebook, you will not see continue as that new account you created. So you can either see continue as that previous account that got disabled, or you will just say not you, then input your new password and email for that account you just created. So now this is the other account right now. So what I'll just do is I'll just say okay, yes, continue as this. So when I say continue as this, inside my other account I have several accounts, though I bought this one, as a business person you have to have multiple other accounts in case of incasity. They have the one I use personally, I have the one I use for my business and stuff like that. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So as you can see, this is the new ad account now. My new ad account is still fresh, no issue, everything is still going well. So if I want to create an ad, I could just literally create an ad here. If I want to fund my account, I'll just click on funding my account here. Everything is just smooth. So I already funded 500 naira just for testing. So now it is, because this is a new account actually. So that's just how to literally go about it. And when you eventually go creating your new ad account, you could start using it to set up your advert and stuff like that. I hope this particular video actually helps you a lot, because it is something I really need to take my time to do. And make sure you take your time to go through it very well. Create a new ad account. Don't let your previous restricted or banned or disabled ad accounts stop you from advertising your products or your business, whatever you do online, because this will literally help you a lot. I cannot wait to see you guys at the top, and if there's any question, do well to reach out to me. I will definitely be at your service to guide you all. I cannot wait to see you at the top.